Click Marketplace Getting Started for step-by-step guidance on setting up and using MackinVIA. Here you'll find helpful sections that walk you through everything from creating backpack accounts and adding content to training resources and certification opportunities. You'll also see tools to help you promote MackinVIA in your school, including bookmarks, posters, templates, and themes, plus helpful links for adding content to expand your digital collection. To order additional content for your MackinVIA, open the Marketplace menu and select Shop eResources. From here, you can search by keyword, browse popular searches, or use advanced search to narrow your results. Continue to add filters until you find the content you're looking for. As you explore, add titles to your current list, or open your cart to choose a different list. You can also create a new list. Once your titles are selected, click your list to open and review it. To see more details about each title, select More Columns and use filters to quickly find specific items on your list. Adjust quantities and set priorities as needed. If an item on your list becomes unavailable, you can select a suggested alternate. To return to your list, just clear the Unavailable Items filter. Sort your list by any of these column headers. And if you'd like, you can order an item on your list in a different format. Just click the title to make your selection. You can keep items on your list, but exclude them from the current order, or remove them entirely. From the Manage menu, you can view a summary of your list and access collection management details related to your purchase. You can also print your list, edit details, or forward it to others. When you're ready, open your cart and click Order Now to complete your purchase. Or place your order directly from your list. In Marketplace Recommended Titles, you can explore curated content like class sets, eResource bundles, and MackinCurator, our custom print and digital subscription service, as well as read-alongs and interactive books. The MackinVIA Resource Center is your go-to hub for support and ideas. You'll find printables, collaboration tools, tutorials, and articles to help you get started and expand your usage. Take your skills further with certification courses, workshops, webinars, and training videos. Plus, explore extra resources like take-home reading, Makerspace, and MackinLearning to bring MackinVIA beyond the basics.